Hi, thank you for joining us today. I'm Mariana Boccia, I'm a floral designer, and today we are going to be filming for DP Flowers. DP Flower has this amazing product. It's dry flowers, and you basically going to receive a bouquet like this. It comes in different colors. You will see how many different varieties they have, and there are 6 types of flowers in each bouquet. So 6 types of flowers, so you can start creating your own style. Today with me, we are going to try some different styles, some of them with a bouquet, some others in vases, and I decided to start with the blue one. So you just open your product when it arrives to your home. You start just opening your product, and this is the first step to prepare your flowers. So just open them. We have different varieties, as I mentioned. We have Broom here, we have mushroom heads, we have ponytails, and Phalaris and Broom. So they're not all the same. That's why we are going to be creating many of them. And you will see, it's very, very easy. So all of DP flowers come from Italy. This is a monochromatic bouquet, a blue one. And that's what we're going to be working on, just monochromatics, but then we can always add a touch of other color if we want. We choose our base. For this one, I already add the foam. It's a dry foam, as you can see here or here. It's the same. It's that available for you. But if it's done, you can just start placing your flowers in your vase. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to start with this. I like to start adding, maybe going to be working facing me, but then I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay. So as you go, you will see what do you need. So you place the highest, what's going to be your highest level, and then you go and go. So I find it very beautiful, this baby blue. And we open, you'll see how amazing it is. I also recommend you to be present. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It's starting to look very, very pretty. I will try my best to show you as I go. But yeah, it's amazing how much you can do with just the bouquet that it will arrive to your home. It's amazing. It's definitely incredible, the infinite possibilities we have. I feel like it's very refreshing, like it's a very refreshing color. We are all designers. That's something that it's good to remind you. It's not like you are not creative. I can do that. We can. See how much product it's left. So for me, it's starting to look very, very ready. So I'm adding just some other mushroom heads. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying arranging flowers, dry flowers, with me and DP Flowers.